Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find inspiration on the YarnPal application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. If you want to find different inspirations, go to the lower bar, click to the home button, and you can find the inspiration section. Here you can find different things. You can find the trending section, the toys and plushies, the granny squares, the home and living section, accessories, different seasonal decors, different clothings, and different baby and kids things, for example plushies, hats, and others. And just select one, click that, and you can find a tutorial about that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.